Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to make a tutorial on how to use InShot application. So InShot application is a free HD video editor and video maker with all the features like cut video, trims, movie, blur, background, and music transition effects, text and images and filter. So if you are a beginner and you want to edit your videos, this application is the right one for you. So you can actually get this for free or use this for free, or you can have a monthly subscription so that you can use more effects to your videos. Okay, so first of all, you're going to download InShot in your mobile phone, and let's open this one. Let's open the application. So I have already it downloaded because I've been using this one for my past videos. So let's open this one. So this application is so simple to use and so easy. Okay, so let's create a video to just give you an idea how to use this InShot video editor. Okay, so if you want to make a video, just create new. So let's take an example of this video. Have it there. So you can actually cut this one. You can use to, if you don't need a bit of videos, a portion of your video, you can cut it or split it. So, and have this one deleted. And then you can also add text for your introduction. For example, let's say welcome to my channel. Okay, so you can put it down there so you can adjust. So that's the good thing about the application. Or you can also change the colors like this. You have many options, whichever you want, and you can also change the colors of the text. So let's use that one for now. Okay, so okay, so that's good. Now we can also add effects, music, or we can use effects like popular. So as an introduction, okay, let's use this one. You can adjust actually the volume if you want to make it not too loud. So that's it. Or you can also trim, shorten the effect. Then that's it. If you want to insert pictures in between, you can just split the videos. For example, let's split because you want to put something in between, like just to show a picture. So you can, it's already split. Then you can add photo. So let's just make an example what the photo should be. Go to the photo and this one. Okay, so okay, so that's just an example on how to insert photo. Then continuing the to the video. Okay, so also you can also add music, background music if you want to, or you can also add if you don't like the audio on your video, you can also make a recordings. So for now, let's use a background music. So for example, this one, Ixon. Let's choose walk. Okay, let's use that. Let's just keep get this loaded. Okay, use. Now you can adjust the volume so that it's not too loud, and fade in, fade out. Okay, so that's just an example. Alright, just to show you the features of InShot application. Okay, so you can actually adjust this. Um, have this one cut like that. Okay, so this is quite too long. You can just do this. See, it was adjusted already. Okay. Okay. Alright. So you can also use the filter. Yeah, it's up to you which one to adjust. Okay. Right. Let's go back. So by the way guys, if you're going to use the music um, in the InShot application, just make sure for example the tracks here, just make sure you copy when you upload your videos in YouTube or in Facebook, whatever, make sure you use this. Make sure you um, include this music walk musician at Ixon Music to avoid copyright issues and just to support the artist as well. So when you put your when you put this one, you put it in a description box so that there will be no copyright issues. Okay, so let's move on to next. So basically so simple. So you can also um, add another text. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching. Just like that. And if it's the end, oh, actually it's not the end of the video yet. So if you want to delete, just delete it. Let's go to the end of the video. So let's just add text. Thanks for watching. Okay, so that's it. Alright. Then we can add another effects. Say this one. Okay. So we have to put this at the, let's delete that one, the end of the video, effects. Okay, use. Right. Right, so let's put, right. Okay. So I think that's all. Right, so let's have this one. Save. So you have to keep the original video so that the draft file will not be damaged. So just save this one. So you choose whether if you want HD 1080p, or I'll just choose 720 so that the memory is not too loud. So that's one thing that when you use free application, there are ads. So let's just accept that, or let's just let it be because we're using it for free. So converting video may take time, and it's up it's up what you call this, it's basically up to the how long your video will go. So once it's converted, that's done. Okay. So sometimes there are in your when you as soon as you convert your videos, there are watermarks, the InShot watermark. You can actually remove that one for free. So just need to watch an ad so that it will be removed. Or you can pay the monthly subscription for I think 150 pesos. So It's up to you. But actually, I'm not paying 150 pesos per month, so I'm just using it for free. So I just had to watch the ad so that I can remove the watermark. Okay, so it's almost done. Okay, so it's there. So it's saved now. You can try to play that one. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's done. So, thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something. And if you want to know more about the application, just comment down below on my video and let me try to help you with this. So, thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Goodbye.